I'm Jen from The Local Gist, and I am here with Chef Jurnie from Archive here in Old Town Temecula, and you are in for a treat. So on this episode of What's in the Dish, they're gonna prepare for us a very special meal. What are you guys cooking today?
Today we're gonna do a salmon with dill cream sauce. We got a little broccolini and some braised fennel.
Awesome. All right, well, walk us through it. There's a lot of stuff that's been going on at Archive, so before you get started, you guys rolled out a new menu recently.
We did, it's our lunch menu.
Yeah, and so not only did Archive change, we used to be a Espadine.
Yes, ma'am.
But the owners didn't change, the name just changed, is that right?
The name and the concept are the only things that changed.
Awesome. All right, well, if you don't mind telling us a little bit about the dish while you prepare,
Sure.
I'm gonna step back and let you do your thing.
Okay, so we have a skin on salmon here. Always seasoned well. Hot pan. I always start with the skin side down.
All right.
While that's going, I'm going to go ahead and start our sauce in this other pan. Shallots.
Shallots. Those are my favorite. Now, how long have you been cooking?
Besides all my life, I would say professionally since 2013.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Once we get some good color on this guy, we're going to go ahead and give it a flip, get some more good color on the other side, and then we'll go ahead and finish off in the oven. Sweat these shallots down.
Look at that color. All right, so how do you know when it's ready?
I just kind of watch the color kind of rise up right here.
Uh-huh.
And when it's almost halfway, it's almost about time to flip. And then the same thing on the other side. You'll see the color start to rise up. And it doesn't mean it's done in the middle, but a thick piece of salmon like this does need a little bit of oven time.
Okay.
Right now we're probably good to flip over.
Ooh.
Nice crispy side. And for our sauce over here, our shallots look pretty good. We're going to go ahead and deglaze with a little Pernod. Pernod is a licorice liqueur.
Ooh, okay. Whoa.
Go ahead and reduce that all the way down. And our salmon's pretty much colored on all sides. We can go ahead and stick that guy in the oven. After our Pernod is, the alcohol is burned off, we'll go ahead and add some capers.
Love capers. Those are my favorite. Now, out of all the dishes on the new menu, why'd you choose this one?
Well, I thought this would be the best because it's more, I could show you guys how to do it from scratch. Most of our other dishes are kind of like prep heavy.
Okay.
And we just kind of heat up and assemble on the line.
Ah.
Go in with our capers. Have some chopped dill right here. We're gonna add, and then we're gonna finish off with cream. We're just gonna go ahead and let that reduce down. While that's going, we can go ahead and start our sides. Our sides are the braised fennel and our broccolini. So I always start with butter for the sides.
Gotta love the butter. As a Southerner, we like butter. Tell me a little bit about how you put this menu together. What was the inspiration behind it?
A lot of the inspiration came just from past places that I've worked at, and dishes that I've done, sauces that I've done, sides that I've done, and I just kind of pulled it out of the archive and put it all together. You know what I mean?
That's cool. So the name is fitting, is what you're saying?
Very fitting.
Okay.
Here's our fennel.
All right.
Go ahead and season that a bit.
That looks so
Broccolini. Broccolini, it's okay to let the butter brown a little bit.
Now, do you feel like broccolini and broccoli are that different?
I do.
Yeah? How so?
I feel like broccolini's a lot more subtle in bite
Okay.
and a little bit more bitter in flavor. Where broccoli's a little bit more rustic,
Gotcha.
if you may.
Now, have you always leaned towards seafood as a preference? Do you like cooking seafood?
I do. I really like seafood a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're very seafood heavy here. We have scallops, we have shrimp, we have a whole fish.
The scallops are the most beautiful thing I have seen on your menu. The way that the presentation on it is so well done.
Thank you. Now that our sauce is finishing up over here, we're gonna go ahead and add a little lemon juice. And for the fennel, got a little bit of white wine right here. Braise that down.
Smells so good.
Broccolini is good. A little bit of char in there, not too much though. Perfect.
Okay, so when you're not cooking professionally for everyone else, what do you like to cook for yourself?
Whatever my wife wants.
There you go, smart man.
We do steaks at home. It just depends on our mood, you know, which is the beauty of being a chef. It's kind of like, you know, if you feel like chicken, we can cook it. I can cook it 1,000 different ways.
Yeah, do you catch yourself always trying new things at the
Always,
house still?
yes. It's my true home. It's my true place of research and development is at home.
Nice.
It always starts at home.
I bet your wife greatly appreciates your love of your craft.
She does. Our sauce is nice and thick, finished
You have
up.
plenty of people that want to taste all of your foods just to give you their feedback.
Let's chuck our salmon.
Oh, that looks so nice.
Looks pretty good. So I always start with the bed of the braised fennel. Back here. And put our salmon right on top. I put the sauce on the front of it because I don't want to take away from the crispy skin. And then I like to finish with these Sicilian, just a couple of these Sicilian salted capers and some fresh dill.